spend time with you. You're gonna be so pretty after you get your braces.
Oh my god!
So it is currently 3:30. It's Monday, February 6th. I'm gonna be hanging out with Shar today. We don't really know exactly what we're doing today. For sure we're getting dinner later. So I packed like extra clothes, but I'm just wearing this hoodie right now. I've been wearing this, I kid y'all not, for like the past 3 days. And it's just so comfortable. I'm currently waiting for Shar to get here. We're gonna go and explore our city a little bit. Just go to like a few stores that we've never been to. Let's do a little life update. So, of course, today's February 6th, as I said already. I am currently 21. I turned 22 in March 25th. I'm actually going to the Bahamas with like my family for like a little family cruise. I'll be out of town before March 18th basically, and I have to leave this apartment by March 31st. So my plan is to make sure that I'm out of my apartment before I go on my trip to the Bahamas, so that when I come back I don't have to worry about moving and stuff. I haven't even started packing. If I could move sooner, I definitely will, but as you guys know, we're renovating my parents' house. My room has to be finished before I move in, so I'm praying and hoping that the renovations can be done ASAP. Another thing I can tell you guys, my Invisalign. I am gonna do that as soon as I can. I got my filler in my chin, so I can't go to the dentist at all for the next like 2 weeks. The moment that 2 weeks is up, I'm gonna get this side of my wisdom teeth out, heal for like 2 weeks, and then boom, your girl's gonna go to the doctors or the teeth people and get some Invisalign, cause your girl got crooked teeth. See that? Okay, fun fact. But one time I was involved with this guy. Basically he told me, oh, I really like being around you. When you get your teeth fixed, you're gonna be so beautiful. I literally wish I was making that shit up, but no, he literally said that. Hello you guys. We're going to a store called Queenie and Pearl. I don't really know what to expect, but I'm excited because I just don't want to be home.
We almost booked it to fucking Chicago today.
Yeah, but we were so bored. We were like, should we make a last minute trip to Chicago? Should we just do it? But I was like, maybe we should just stay our ass home. But we're really excited because for dinner we're going to this place called Kalita. I've seen like photos of people there and it looks so nice. Like it doesn't even look like you're in Minnesota. It looks like you're in freaking like Florida. Alright guys, we just made it. Whoa! Yo, this place is cute!
Take flight out, yeah. Promise I really don't mind it. Don't you move. I made some time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose. I made some time for you. I can't decide for you. Oh no, you choose.
Supersonic. Funky fresh. Whoa! Oh my god! Thank you, next bed.
It's like something we've always wanted as girls.
I'm living my fantasy right now. This is like Y2K room. This is my aesthetic here. Yes, bro, look at that. This is so cute. Cheetah girls. I freaking love the jewels on this window. Hey. Char. Yeah. You are my magic 8-ball.
What are you doing?
So we're currently on our way to another shop, and this shop we just went to was such a pleasant surprise. I've never been in it, and inside they had like not only like cute stuff like a boutique would, the upstairs had different rooms of different aesthetic,
like
which is so cool.
Vintage aesthetic.
Yeah,
guys.
they literally had like the Y2K room and like Juicy Couture and like BB bags,
like Rockwear,
a whole like
Echo, like oh
yes.
my god.
If you guys are in Minnesota, definitely check out Queenie and Pearl. That was amazing.
You might want to check out right there too. Vintage collectibles and furniture. Oh shit.
Definitely want to look in there.
We have to come back and walk the street because there's even vintage stores here.
So we're gonna go to another store. What is it called? Ooh, Smile Back Vintage, guys. So technically we're just thrift shopping today, and then we're gonna finish the night off with a nice dinner. What a good day. Wow. Damn, I want some Gyukaku now. Oh, guys, Gyukaku is so good. Next time. It's a vibe. It is so warm today, guys. Like, look at us. We're not even wearing jackets. No! Okay, they might be remodeling or something, but we know it's here because it says Smile back there. Next location.
Let's go to
Buffalo Exchange unless we don't want to go there. Or we can go get boba.
Here we're going up this, here we're going down.
I'm gonna fall and bust my ass. I feel like there's a lot about me and Shar's past that you guys just don't know about us, you know? Like boy experiences.
Oh god.
I was telling them earlier about how I used to talk to this one guy and he was like, oh, I really like spending time with you. You're gonna be so pretty after you get your braces.
Oh my god, no way, somebody said that to you?
Yes, bro.
You're lying.
Anyways.
You're fucking lying, bitch. Oh my god.
I was down bad for staying associated with that guy.
I always had a bad feeling about him.
Literally nobody liked him. I was down bad. Get what I'm saying? Anyways, that's the past. Shar, what about you? Bad boy experience?
Is that one way?
Something a guy did or said that gave you the mad ick.
One of them was like, they sat me down and they were like, hey, like, I really hate when you talk about spirituality. Like straight up. And it was just like, I hate when you talk to me about it. And I'm like, what does that have to do with you? Nothing.
What's that gotta do with me? That's cool that you say that.
The craziest fucking thing is that in that person's culture, literally spirits. I was like, bitch, what the fuck are you talking about? Like, your family is literally spiritual, so I'm so confused why you're like. And after that, like, you guys always like really pissed, and I just got the ick. I was just like, yeah, that's no bueno. And I dumped him. Like, right after, I was like,
we're gonna go inside of Buffalo Exchange. It was right down the street from the store we just tried to get to. The stuff we bought today. Okay, let's do Buffalo Exchange first. Look at how cute our bags are. Oh wait, wrong way. This is the bag from Queenie and Pearl. Actually, so cute. Okay, so from Buffalo and Exchange, I got this cute jacket. There was like this cute black one, and I feel like I would have worn it, but it was $44, and I just couldn't justify spending $44 on it. But it's green, and you guys know like I love jackets like this. No. BRB guys, I'm running out of storage. Got the green jacket, super cute. Let me try it on for y'all real quick. Ooh, look at how nice it is. I'm so excited to wear it. The first item I'm gonna show you guys is this. This is what we got from Buffalo Exchange. Just like this cool jacket, and I just thought the back was so cute. Giving motorcycle girl, and I really, really love it. And then the last thing I got from Buffalo Exchange. Yo, battery died. Yeah, daddy's girl. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die, but look how cute. It has bows. Queenie and Pearl. It's probably the best store ever. What a great experience with them today. The music they played in there was so good. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. I've been looking for a red bag for like the longest time. The longest time. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, it's my lucky color this year, so I got this one and it's so cute and I'm so excited to wear it. The shape is so cute. And like the details. Ooh, in really good condition. Yeah, it's like really, really made in China. Okay. So not only did I buy one red bag, there's a bought two. So I have this one. This one is more like everyday on model. This one is like if you want to be an it girl and be a bad bitch, you know?
So I'm kind of really in between the aesthetic. So I was like, oh my god, I need that. And my last and final thing is actually inside here. This is probably the coolest fucking thing ever. I've been looking for one of these, one that actually fits. Chloe, don't eat that. Puts it on like this.
A little hips don't lie moment.
And
Hell
it's like
yeah.
accessorized.
It's so cute. It like elevates your outfit so much. I got this Juicy Couture freaking hoodie top.
You did?
Yes, bro.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, this is so freaking cute. I can see myself wearing this with like yoga pants.
Sleeve.
Yeah, they have like little details, like
lace on it.
yeah, there's like little ruffly details.
I
and
love
stuff.
details like this.
Last thing I got was this top. It's like a knit shoulder thing. Ooh, I love it. This is so cute.
I feel like whenever I go shopping with you, I always find shit I like. I'll go with like other people, I'll be like, or I'll go by myself and I'm like,
yeah.
But then whenever I go shopping with you, I'm like, oh my god,
Somehow.
so much good shit.
Maybe it's just whenever we go together, we just happen to go to good places. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We are gonna do post notification shout outs today. And today, post notification shout outs go to Selena Hang. Woo! Thanks for watching. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. That being said, I will see you guys in another video. Bye. Mwah.